Today, let me show you how does the speaker grill made. Step 1, Material Preparation. This is the stainless steel coil. We need installed it on the cutting machine, which automatically cuts the material into pieces according to specific dimensions. Let's take a look. This is the metal sheet designed according to customer's product dimensions. The size of this sheet approximately 200 mm by 200 mm. After the material is cut, it automatically enters the cleaning process. Let us go to the dust-free workshop. After the raw material is cut, it enters a cleaning production line where the surface oil, oxides, and dirt are all cleaned off. Once cleaned, it enters the automatic drying process. Here you can see the cleaning area and the drying area here. It will dry all the water stains on the sheet. After the stainless steel raw material is cleaned, it enters the next process, coating. The cleaned metal sheets enters the automatic coating production line. In this step, photosensitive resist is automatically coated on both sides of the raw material. You can see that when the raw material passes through this roller, both sides are automatically coated with photosensitive resist. The sheets coated with resist then enters the tunnel oven for drying. Let me show you our automatic drying production line. The material coated with photosensitive resist passes through the tunnel oven, which dries the photosensitive resist on both sides. These are our two drying production lines. Next, let's go to our exposure workshop. These are stainless steel sheets that have already been exposed. Like this sheet, it's approximately size of an A4 paper. These are some metal sheets waiting for exposure. These are the photo tool made according to the customer's product drawings. Usually, one component requires two film, one for each side. Then we place the coated stainless steel sheets between these film and arrange them in the exposure machine. We need to remove the air inside and then press the start button. Generally, where the light shines through the clear areas of the film, the resist is exposed and becomes hardened. Where the resist is shielded from the light by the black areas of the film, the resist remains soft. We separate the film from the material that has been exposed. Kindly note, these films can be reused. After exposure to the UV light, the sheets are put through a developer where the soft resist is dissolved away and the hardened resist remains. Let's go to our developing workshop. This is a sheet that has already been exposed. You can see that there are no patterns on both sides. Here you can see, after the stainless steel sheet passes through our developing machine, the pattern is revealed. These are the sheets we have developed, still a complete stainless steel sheets. Next, this stainless steel sheets will become a perforated etched sheets. So how are these mesh holes made? Let me show you. This is an etching production line, where workers need to put the sheets into this etching machine. The sheet put through an etching machine where etchant is sprayed on both sides of the sheet. Where the etchant comes in contact with exposed material, the metal is dissolved. Where the resist has been applied, the material will be protected from the etchant. Let's go to the discharge port now. Look, our mesh holes have been etched out. You can see, this sheet's without etching, and this sheet after etching. You can see me through these mesh holes, right? This is the difference between before and after etching. These are the etched sheets from the etching production line. You can see there is still blue photosensitive resist on the surface. Next, we need to dissolve it. Now, let's go to our resist dissolve line. You can see there is a lot of resist stripper here, spraying on both sides simultaneously. Through this process, all the resist can be removed. Let us go to the end of the stripping production line to see the appearance after stripping. This is the speaker grill that has been etched into mesh holes. This is the natural color of stainless steel, very beautiful, isn't it? Okay, this is the production process from raw materials to speaker grills. After all the perforated sheets pass the quality inspection, they will enter the next process, film pasting, stamping and forming, surface treatment, injection molding, assembly. So, a speaker grill may look simple, but it actually requires a lot of processes. Thank you for your watching.